So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a thumbnail. First, you're going to need this app called Phonto. Once you have downloaded this app, you can make your thumbnail. Now, once you have started this, then you'll be on a blank page. Then you click down, and then you'll click on play. Wait, isn't it play image? And then you pick which type of background you want. Once you have done that, you will pick this one. And then it'll be on this. And then you'll just use and save. And then you can add a text and add some pictures. I just added a text just because I'm just using it for this video. And then once you have done this, you'll take a screenshot. And then you'll cut it down to the right size. Once you have done so, then you will go back to the home page. And then you'll go over to Safari. You'll look up YouTube. And you can't have the YouTube app. You'll look up YouTube. Once you have done so, or once you have looked up YouTube, which I'm doing right now, so once you have looked up YouTube, you'll go over to, or give me 1 minute to look it up. Once you have looked up YouTube, then you'll go over to, you'll click in the right hand corner, or you'll be on dashboard on your phone. And then in the right hand corner on the top, it will have your little emblem, and so you'll press that. Then once you press it, you'll press Creator Studio. And then it will show you your videos. I'm just going to edit me getting to level 200 in GTA. So you'll just press Edit. And then it will say Create our custom thumbnail. And you'll press that. And then you can either do the one that you made in that Phonto, or you can get one off a line. And I just did a RP one that I found off a line, or online, I mean. And then once you've done that, you'll go to the top corner and it'll say Save Changes. You will press that. Once you have pressed that, it should save. And that is it. And that is just about it for all of this. Now, this is the end of the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.